Building wealth is not about luck. It is not only for people with high salaries or those who inherit large amounts of money. Wealth grows from making smart financial decisions every day. Small choices repeated over many years can produce amazing results. Many successful people did not become wealthy overnight. They learned how to manage money wisely, avoid unnecessary debt, save consistently, and invest for the future. The first smart financial decision is to spend less than you earn. This sounds simple, but many people struggle with it. When income increases, many people also increase their spending. They buy expensive phones, move into larger houses, or purchase cars they cannot comfortably afford. Instead of spending every extra shilling, choose to save and invest part of every income. Living below your means gives you financial freedom and reduces stress. Creating a monthly budget is another powerful habit. A budget tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Write down all your income and expenses. Include rent, food, transport, electricity, school fees, savings, investments, and entertainment. Once you know where your money is going, it becomes easier to remove unnecessary expenses. Even saving a few thousand Kenyan shillings every month can make a big difference over time. An emergency fund is one of the smartest financial tools anyone can have. Life is full of surprises. You may lose your job, face a medical emergency, or need urgent repairs at home. Without savings, many people borrow money at high interest rates during emergencies. A good emergency fund should cover several months of essential living expenses. Keep this money in a safe and easily accessible savings account so that it is available whenever you truly need it. Avoiding expensive debt is another important step toward building wealth. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest debt can slow your financial progress. Borrowing money for unnecessary luxury items often creates long-term financial pressure. Before taking a loan, ask yourself whether the purchase will increase your income or simply increase your monthly expenses. Paying off expensive debt as quickly as possible frees up more money for saving and investing. Learning to invest is one of the biggest differences between people who only earn money and people who build lasting wealth. Saving protects your money, while investing helps it grow over time. Investments may include businesses, shares, bonds, real estate, or other long-term opportunities. Every investment carries some level of risk, so never invest in something you do not understand. Take time to learn before committing your hard-earned money. Many people believe they need millions of Kenyan shillings before they can start investing. This is not true. Starting with small amounts is often better than waiting for the perfect time. Regular investing, even with modest amounts, allows your money to grow steadily over many years. Time is one of the greatest advantages an investor can have. Increasing your income is another smart financial decision. While reducing expenses is important, there is a limit to how much you can cut. Your income, however, has much greater potential for growth. You can learn new skills, start a side business, offer freelance services, or create digital products. In Kenya, many people earn additional income through online work, farming, transport services, content creation, or small businesses. Multiple income streams provide greater financial security. Education is one of the best investments you can make. This does not always mean going back to school. Reading books, attending workshops, taking online courses, and learning practical business skills can improve your earning ability. Financial education teaches you how money works, how investments grow, and how to avoid common financial mistakes. Knowledge often produces returns that last for the rest of your life. Do not try to impress other people with expensive lifestyles. Many wealthy people live simple lives because they understand the difference between being rich and looking rich. Buying luxury items to gain approval from others usually delays financial freedom. Focus on building assets that generate income instead of collecting liabilities that only increase expenses. Insurance is another important financial decision that many people ignore. Medical bills, accidents, or damage to property can destroy years of savings. Appropriate insurance helps protect your finances from unexpected events. While insurance may seem like an extra expense, it often saves families from severe financial hardship when problems occur. Setting clear financial goals keeps you focused. Decide what you want to achieve in the next 1 year, 5 years, and 10 years. Your goals may include buying land, building a home, starting a business, educating your children, or retiring comfortably. When you have clear goals, it becomes easier to avoid unnecessary spending because every financial decision supports your future plans. Patience is one of the greatest wealth-building skills. Many scams promise fast profits with little effort. If an investment promises unbelievably high returns in a very short time, it deserves careful investigation. Building genuine wealth usually takes years of consistent saving, investing, and disciplined financial decisions. Avoid chasing shortcuts that may lead to financial losses. Your health also affects your financial future. Healthy people often spend less on medical treatment and can continue working and earning income for longer. Eating healthy food, exercising regularly, getting enough rest, and attending medical checkups are investments in your future productivity and financial stability. Teach your children good money habits early. Give them simple lessons about saving, budgeting, earning, and responsible spending. Children who understand the value of money are more likely to become financially responsible adults. Strong financial habits passed from one generation to another can create lasting family wealth. Review your finances regularly. At least once every month, check your budget, savings, debts, investments, and financial goals. Celebrate your progress and identify areas that need improvement. Financial success is not achieved through one big decision, but through many small decisions made consistently over time. Building wealth is a journey that rewards discipline more than income. Whether you earn 20,000 Kenyan shillings or 200,000 Kenyan shillings each month, your financial habits matter more than your salary. Spend wisely, save consistently, invest patiently, continue learning, and avoid unnecessary debt. These smart financial decisions may seem small today, but over many years they can transform your financial future and create lasting wealth for you and your family.